Well, good morning, YouTubers, friends, and family across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, and we are on November 19th, 2017. Thank you for joining me. Another surviving day on this lovely planet. God bless you all. We just had another very large earthquake, a 6.3 in Tadine, New Caledonia. Now, this was a 6.6 recorded on the Richter scale. And they also issued a 6.9 tsunami warning for Loyalty Islands, Hawaiian Islands, and all areas close to the epicenter of this 6.6. Now, the depth was at 20 kilometers, but there were a lot of earthquakes beforehand. Earth is a shaking, I tell ya, man, oh man. All these large earthquakes. But we've got some catching up to do, as I said. Nowhere near the numbers that we were last year. So this is where the epicenter was located, and as you can see, just recently there was the 4.8, 5.3, 4.7 right afterwards. So very quick and large aftershocks in this region. A ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean is slowly slipping in and out. We did have a coronal hole facing us from the sun, so we were expecting these large earthquakes today and tomorrow. So please stay aware, stay prepared, folks. These large earthquakes are happening all over the place. And we had some more aftershocks in Iraq, a small 4.3 in Italy, some small earthquakes in the Midwest United States. Right here, there's 4.9 in Mediceno, Italy, at a 10-kilometer depth. But then these three here in Iraq, those are still aftershocks from the 7.3 last week. So looking around the world here, you can see that we get targeted when we have a coronal hole facing us. This is our electric universe. Thanks for joining me today. Daily events worldwide. Thanks for watching. Stay young and have fun. Bye-bye. Get a plan. Get prepared. 2 weeks of food. 2 weeks of water. Generator. Peace.